Hi guys, welcome again to another episode of On The Way with Jizuwe. Today we would be restoring the soft top on my convertible together, and I'll be showing you step by step all the things you need to do to be able to get it back to looking brand new. It's quite early in the morning, I've just woken up, but I need to get the job done before the sun comes out. So I've got a few products I'm going to show you, and then we're going to go through sort of the process together. I hope you enjoy. Stay tuned. So we're just gonna go straight into it. The first step is to dust all the debris away, leaves, sort of any physical contaminants or dirt that you can see on the roof. So yeah, I'm just gonna dust it all out and get it ready for morning. Yeah, you all right? Good. Right, so it looks all nice and ready, prepped for the next stage. Now that we've got the dust out of the roof, the next thing to do is just to wet it a little bit with water, and then we can go on to the next thing. Stay tuned. Right, now that we've got some water on the soft top, we're gonna go straight in with the canvas cleaner, and that's to prep it for sort of the initial washing and cleaning. So this is the product. Just gonna get in a plastic, and then I'll be applying it on the roof with a paintbrush. It's been well over 15 minutes, so I'm just gonna get some warm water in the bowl, and then I'll start the washing of the roof. the washing and rinsing is all done. I'm just gonna try to dry it a little bit with the microfiber cloth, and yeah, I'm gonna leave it for some time to dry before we get into the next stage. Before we apply the roof restorer, and then yeah, we'll see how it goes. Right, welcome back. The roof is all dried now. I've left it for a few hours, so we're just gonna continue with the process. Now I'm gonna be getting the roof restorer on it. It's gonna take a few moments of application, and then we'll see what the results will look like. I'm just gonna get a little bit of the product in the plastic, and then I'll apply with a paintbrush as well. Right, so right here is the canvas restorer. It looks like a dye, but yeah, let's try it. Let's see what it's gonna look like. As you can see, the roof is nice and shiny. I'm now done applying the restorer, so we're just gonna give it a few hours for it to dry up. In between, I tried to clean the car as well, just to buy myself some time. And then yeah, at this point I'm going to cut the video, probably continue later in the evening to apply the waterproofer, and that's going to be the last stage of the restoration. So yeah, it's back to life. I'm happy with the results. The waterproofer is just basically going to help the roof become more water resistant. So yeah, we're gonna come back in the evening, apply the waterproofer, and then I can show you guys the final results of the roof restoration. Hi guys, we're finally at the last stage of the roof restoration. Now I'm just gonna be applying the waterproofer, and that's gonna take about 3 to 5 hours to dry up, and then once that's dried up, I'm gonna be showing you guys the final results. I'm really excited. I'm looking forward to what it looks like. So yeah, I'm just gonna get the waterproofer into the bowl, and I'm gonna apply it with the paintbrush. Yeah, it's been a very long day. I'm sure you guys have seen the before and the after of the convertible restoration. It looks great. I'm so happy about the result. I'm sure you guys have enjoyed the video as well. Please continue to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. And yeah, thank you guys for watching my videos, engaging with my content. Coming up with some much more interesting stuff. And yeah, stay tuned, stay glued to your TV. And yeah, keep supporting and let's make the world a better place. Stay blessed.